Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss and we are going to try how to lube your clutch cable here. I was feeling it was tight and I was having hard time pulling the clutch. So let's see how to lube your clutch cable. So the first thing that you will want to do is to loosen these bolts and pull the cable out of this socket so that you can take out the clutch cable from the clutch lever part. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So for me these are 12 bolts, so let's take them out. Now you see it is easily out. Let's keep it over here. I'm not going to touch this one because this is already adjusted, and you see this is pretty much free now. The next thing, I'm going to pull out the cable from this end. So you see I have taken this out. Now there are two ways to do it. Okay, one is you see how black it has become because of the continuous friction, and now there are two ways to do it. One is the Ziploc bag method, Ziploc bag method, and one will be the tool that we are going to be using. So let me show you both ways. So I have this Ziploc bag which I am going to make it a little bit conical shape. Okay, and then we are going to try and use that method. Okay, so you see I have cut a small corner of the Ziploc bag. I'll put it over this. Sorry, let me do it this way. I'm going to put it over like this and put a rubber band over it. This is the most easiest method you can try. Make a proper seal. Like this, and then turn it around like this. So now you see there is a cone shaped, and put it like this. Now you see we can pour our lubrication here and then move it up and down so that lube will go inside of the whole cable. Okay, let's try it out. So I'm going to use WD-40. I have filled that, and then when I try moving like this, WD-40 will go in the whole cable line like this, and you have to do it until WD-40 start coming out the other way of the cable, other side of the cable. Okay, now you see how much WD-40 has poured inside of this. That's one way to do it. And then again there is a second way to do it. I have this tool which is specifically made to lube the clutch cable or any sort of cables. So what I have to do is put this like this till here, okay, and then tighten both sides one by one. Like this. So I have installed the tool, and then there is a hole over here. So what I'm going to do is put my lubrication or any sort of lubricating liquid through this. So for this you will need a proper tube to insert this. So with this proper tube I'm going to put it here, and let me turn on the other camera to show you how it looks from the other end. So guys, this is something I'm going to try for the first time. Let's try and see if this works. And you see the liquid is coming from the other end. Okay, let me turn this around a little bit so that we have a better angle. Like this. This tool you can buy from Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description. It's very easy and it's very cheap tool. It's your personal choice how you want to lube your cables. It has become a mess, but I'm still learning to use the tool. So guys, that was the way how you lube your clutch cable. I showed you 2 ways. You can try it out and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, see you later next time. Bye.